International travel is entering a completely new era. In 2026, major changes are being introduced across airports, airlines, and border control systems around the world. Governments are upgrading security technology, introducing new digital travel permits, and implementing policies designed to manage tourism more efficiently. For travelers, these updates could affect everything from visa requirements and airport procedures to travel costs and entry rules. Some changes are designed to make travel faster and more secure, while others could add new steps that must be completed before boarding a flight. Missing even one small update could cause unexpected problems during a trip. Imagine arriving at the airport only to discover that a new digital authorization is required, or finding out that a destination has introduced a new tourist tax that was not planned for. Situations like these are becoming more common as global travel rules evolve. Airports are also becoming more technology-driven than ever before. Biometric systems, digital passports, and AI-powered security checks are starting to replace traditional procedures. While these innovations promise smoother travel in the future, they also mean travelers need to stay informed about how the new systems work. In this video, some of the most important travel changes coming in 2026 will be revealed. These are the updates that could directly impact the way trips are planned, flights are boarded, and countries are entered. Before diving into these important travel updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more travel news, global travel tips, and destination guides from around the world. Now, let's begin with the first major travel change that could affect millions of travelers heading to Europe. Number 10. Europe's new ETIAS travel authorization. For years, travelers from many countries have been able to visit most European destinations without applying for a visa. However, starting in 2026, a new system called the European Travel Information and Authorization System, commonly known as ETIAS, will change how travelers enter the Schengen area. ETIAS is a digital travel authorization that must be approved before departure. It is not a traditional visa, but it works as a pre-screening system designed to strengthen border security across Europe. Travelers who were previously allowed to enter visa-free will now need to complete a short online application before traveling. The application requires passport details, personal information, travel history, and answers to several security questions. Once submitted, the system reviews the information through multiple security databases to determine whether entry is approved. In many cases, approval will be granted within minutes. However, travelers who forget to apply before arriving at the airport may face serious problems, because airlines will check ETIAS authorization before allowing passengers to board flights to Europe. Another important detail is that ETIAS will apply to more than 30 European countries, including popular destinations such as France, Italy, Spain, Germany, and Greece. This means that even short vacations to these countries will now require digital travel authorization in advance. Although the application process is simple, it represents a significant change for millions of travelers who are used to entering Europe without any pre-travel paperwork. Number 9. Biometric airports replacing traditional passport checks. Airports around the world are rapidly moving toward biometric technology, and 2026 will see a major expansion of these systems. Instead of traditional passport checks, many airports are introducing facial recognition technology that verifies a traveler's identity within seconds. This technology allows passengers to move through multiple airport checkpoints without repeatedly showing passports or boarding passes. Cameras scan the traveler's face and match it with passport data stored in secure databases. At biometric-enabled airports, travelers may soon walk through security, immigration, and boarding gates simply by looking at a camera. The system automatically confirms identity and travel authorization. Major international airports in the United States, Europe, and Asia are already testing these systems, and many will fully implement biometric travel procedures in 2026. The goal is to reduce waiting times, improve security, and create a smoother airport experience. However, travelers should also be prepared for some adjustments. Some passengers may be required to register biometric data before using these systems, and travelers who prefer manual passport checks might need to request alternative screening procedures. Despite these changes, biometric travel is expected to become the standard method for airport security in the coming years. Number 8. New tourist taxes in popular destinations. Another major travel change arriving in 2026 involves tourism taxes being introduced in some of the world's most popular destinations. Governments are implementing these fees to manage over-tourism, protect historical sites, and support local infrastructure. Cities that attract millions of visitors every year often struggle with overcrowding, environmental damage, and rising maintenance costs. To address these challenges, new tourist taxes are being added to hotel stays, entry tickets, or transportation services. In some destinations, travelers may be required to pay a daily visitor fee, some bits just for entering certain areas. Other locations are increasing accommodation taxes or charging entry fees for famous landmarks and historic city centers. Although these taxes may seem small individually, they can increase the total cost of a trip when added together. Travelers planning vacations in popular destinations should always check whether new tourism fees apply before booking flights and hotels. These policies are becoming increasingly common as countries attempt to balance tourism growth with environmental protection and sustainable travel practices. Number 7. Airline baggage rules are getting stricter. Packing for a trip may become more complicated in 2026 as airlines continue tightening baggage policies. Many carriers are introducing stricter weight limits, more detailed carry-on size rules, and additional fees for luggage that previously traveled for free. The changes are partly driven by rising fuel costs and the growing number of passengers traveling with oversized cabin bags. Airlines are trying to reduce aircraft weight and speed up boarding procedures by enforcing stricter baggage guidelines. Some airlines are even experimenting with digital baggage tracking systems that automatically weigh and scan luggage before it reaches the check-in counter. If the bag exceeds the allowed weight or size limit, additional charges may be applied instantly. Travelers who are used to flexible carry-on policies may need to pay closer attention to luggage rules before arriving at the airport. Measuring bags at home and checking airline policies online could help avoid unexpected fees during check-in. For frequent travelers, these changes mean planning luggage more carefully than ever before. Number 6. Digital passports and mobile travel IDs. One of the most futuristic travel changes arriving in 2026 is the rise of digital passports and mobile travel identification. Instead of carrying only a physical passport, travelers may soon store verified travel documents directly on their smartphones. Governments and international aviation organizations are developing secure mobile ID systems that allow travelers to present digital identification during airport procedures. These mobile travel IDs can be linked to biometric systems, allowing identity verification through facial recognition. The goal is to create a seamless travel experience where passports, boarding passes, and travel authorizations are stored in one secure digital wallet. Several countries and airlines are already testing mobile travel credentials, and the system is expected to expand significantly in 2026. Passengers using digital travel IDs may be able to pass through airport checkpoints faster while reducing the need to present physical documents repeatedly. However, traditional passports will still remain necessary for international travel for the foreseeable future. Digital IDs are expected to function as an additional layer of convenience rather than a complete replacement. Even so, the introduction of mobile travel identification signals a major shift toward fully digital travel systems that could transform the airport experience in the coming decade. Number 5. AI security screening at airports. Airport security is also undergoing a major transformation in 2026, thanks to the rapid development of artificial intelligence. Many international airports are beginning to deploy AI-powered security systems that can analyze luggage scans far more efficiently than traditional manual inspections. These advanced systems use machine learning algorithms to detect suspicious items inside baggage with incredible accuracy. Instead of relying only on human officers reviewing X-ray images, AI software can instantly identify potential threats and highlight them for security staff. This technology significantly reduces the time passengers spend waiting in security lines. Luggage can be scanned faster, and the chances of human error are greatly reduced. In some airports, AI screening systems are even capable of analyzing passenger flow and adjusting security lanes automatically to manage crowds more efficiently. Another important advantage of AI security is its ability to learn and improve over time. As the system processes more scans, it becomes better at identifying dangerous objects and distinguishing them from harmless items. For travelers, this means security checkpoints may become much faster in the future. However, some airports might introduce new procedures as these systems are rolled out, so travelers may occasionally experience adjustments during the transition period. Number 4. Stricter entry rules for many countries. In recent years, many governments have started tightening their border policies, and this trend is expected to continue in 2026. Countries are becoming more cautious about who enters their borders, introducing stricter entry requirements for international travelers. Some destinations are expanding background checks through international databases before granting entry approval. Others are requesting additional information about travel history, accommodation details, and return tickets before allowing visitors to enter the country. Travelers may also notice increased questioning during immigration checks at airports. Border officers are being trained to carefully verify travel intentions, especially for visitors entering countries on tourist visas. In certain regions, travelers may be required to show proof of sufficient funds, health insurance, or confirmed hotel bookings before being allowed through immigration control. While these measures are designed to improve national security and prevent illegal overstays, they also mean travelers must prepare documents more carefully before departure. Missing information or incomplete paperwork could lead to delays or, in rare cases, denied entry. As global travel continues to grow, stricter border policies are becoming a common strategy for managing international tourism. Number 3. Sustainable travel rules and environmental restrictions. Environmental protection is becoming one of the biggest priorities in global tourism, and 2026 will introduce several new rules designed to reduce the impact of travel on the planet. Many destinations are introducing sustainability policies that encourage responsible tourism. Some locations are limiting the number of daily visitors allowed at popular attractions, national parks, and natural landmarks. Cruise ships are also facing stricter environmental regulations in several regions. Certain ports are restricting the number of cruise ships that can dock each day to reduce pollution and protect fragile ecosystems. In addition, airlines are investing heavily in sustainable aviation fuel and newer aircraft that produce fewer emissions. Some governments are even considering environmental surcharges on flights to encourage greener travel practices. Travelers visiting environmentally sensitive destinations may notice new guidelines encouraging responsible behavior, such as restrictions on plastic use, limits on wildlife interaction, and controlled access to protected areas. These sustainability policies are designed to ensure that the world's most beautiful destinations remain protected for future generations of travelers. Number 2. Faster immigration with smart border technology. Border control systems are also becoming smarter and more automated in 2026. Many countries are investing in advanced smart border technology designed to process travelers much faster than traditional immigration counters. Smart border systems combine biometric identification, digital travel documents, and automated gates to verify travelers within seconds. Instead of waiting in long immigration lines, passengers can simply walk through automated gates that scan their passports and match facial recognition data. These systems are already being used in several international airports, and many more are expected to adopt them in 2026. The goal is to reduce congestion at airports while maintaining strong border security. For frequent travelers, smart border technology could dramatically shorten arrival times after landing in a new country. Instead of waiting in crowded lines, travelers may be able to pass through immigration in just a few minutes. However, travelers must ensure that passports remain valid, biometric data matches correctly, and digital travel authorizations are approved before arrival. As these systems expand globally, airport arrivals may become faster and more efficient than ever before. Number 1. The rise of fully digital travel journeys. The biggest travel change shaping the future of tourism in 2026 is the shift toward fully digital travel journeys. Airlines, airports, and governments are working together to create a seamless travel experience powered entirely by digital technology. In this new system, travelers may plan an entire trip using a single digital identity that stores passports, visas, boarding passes, travel authorizations, and biometric verification data in one secure platform. From the moment a ticket is booked to the moment a destination is reached, every step of the journey can be connected digitally. Check-in, baggage drop, security screening, immigration clearance, and boarding can all be handled through automated systems without repeated document checks. Airports are gradually transforming into highly connected environments where technology manages passenger movement smoothly, from entrance to departure gate. For travelers, this means fewer paper documents, shorter waiting times, and a more streamlined travel experience. Although this fully digital travel ecosystem is still developing, 2026 marks a major step toward a future where international travel becomes faster, smarter, and more connected than ever before. The world of travel is evolving faster than ever before. New technology, smarter border systems, environmental rules, and digital travel tools are gradually transforming the way international journeys work. What used to be a simple airport check-in and passport stamp is now becoming a highly connected and technology-driven travel experience. These changes may seem small at first, but together they are shaping the future of global tourism. Travelers who stay informed about these updates will be better prepared, avoid unexpected problems, and enjoy smoother journeys across international borders. From digital travel authorizations and biometric airports to sustainable tourism rules and fully digital travel identities, 2026 is introducing a new era of travel that is faster, more secure, and more organized than ever before. Understanding these changes before planning the next trip could make a huge difference between a stressful travel experience and a smooth, unforgettable journey. More travel updates, destination guides, and global travel insights will continue to appear on this channel, helping travelers stay informed about the rapidly changing world of tourism. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so the next travel guide and global travel update never gets missed. The world is full of incredible destinations waiting to be explored, and the next journey might be closer than expected.